Hi there, Jennifer Roberts here with a tutorial for X-Plane. This video was recorded in X-Plane 10 Mobile version 10.9, but it works basically the same for X-Plane on your desktop computer. Today we're going to walk through how to start the Boeing 737 from cold and dark. Please note that I'm only showing you the quick and dirty way to turn on the engines and set up for flight. In the interest of time and simplicity, I will be skipping some things a real-world pilot would do, such as light configuration and procedural tests. First, we'll make sure the parking brake is set, and that both the master and standby batteries are set to on. Next, we start the APU, then flip all our APU generator switches on, since we don't simulate ground power units here in the mobile app. Turn on APU bleed air and yaw damper, then the electric and engine hydraulic pumps. Check that throttle 1 and 2 are at idle. Then we'll turn on the fuel pumps. Left first, then center and right. Now we're ready to start the engines. We'll start with engine number 2. Move the dial to GRD, which stands for ground, then wait for N2 to reach 25% or higher. Once it does, move condition lever 2 to the idle position. Wait until N2 is above 56%, then double-check that the start has disengaged. This should happen automatically. Then we'll do the same thing for engine 1. Once that's done, we'll turn on generators and engine bleed air. Turn off APU bleed air, the APU generator, and finally the APU. Lastly, we'll turn off the master caution. Now you know how to start up the Boeing 737 in any version of X-Plane you use. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.